we did a video on that if you want to check it out. What I love about this car is that you don't have to get inside, unlike on other models, to turn on the car. All you have to do is do this and the car turns on. This is great for when you like forget to close the window or you just have the aircon on, it's too hot, stuff like that. But your key does have to be nearby, otherwise it won't work. Another thing that we forgot to mention, one thing that we forgot to mention is that this car is an 8-seater, but don't be scared, 8-seaters are not all that bad because this one has the best of both worlds because you can fit a lot of people, flat packs, and it can have a walkthrough. We'll show you it. Voila, and now you can walk through. This is my excited friend from Perth, Dasha, and I'm about to show her the curtains.
Yeah.
This one?
Wait. Can I maybe suggest that you unclip that?
No. Go back.